Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this leaf cutout and napkin, both from Dollar Tree. I removed the hanger and the little bow, heat up the glue left from the bow and scrape that off. And then I'm taking toasted terracotta acrylic paint by Folk Art and painting the outer portion of the leaf. I also paint the back with that as well. Once the paint is dry, I'm taking antique wax by Waverly and a baby wipe and applying that to all of the painted areas. It'll just darken up that paint a little bit. I then take Plaster color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly, and paint the center leaf. Next, I apply a layer of Mod Podge to the Plaster paint and then dry that completely. Next, I take the napkin and I remove the second layer from it and cut off a smaller portion. Place it over the white painted area in that Mod Podge. Place down parchment paper on top of the napkin and iron that on. It'll reactivate the Mod Podge, sealing that napkin down. And then just take a small piece of sandpaper and sand off the excess napkin. This Hello Autumn cutout I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I am applying the antique wax to that as well. I at first did 2 coats, but I do go back and do a 3rd coat to it just to darken it up a bit. I set that aside and apply the second layer of Mod Podge to the napkin. And then while that Mod Podge is still wet, I place down the Hello Autumn tag and the Mod Podge will attach that. I dry that completely. And here's where I thought I needed it a little bit darker. It's still really hard to make out the lettering. I might go back over it with a lighter color paint. I'm not sure yet. Really like the color of it. It's just you can't really see it all that well. I then loop through twine into the original hole for the hanger. And on that knot that I had made, I add a little bit of Mod Podge to prevent it from opening back up. I then take this raffia I got from Amazon and I'm just looping it back and forth in my hand to make a bow. And then I take the raffia and wrap that around the center and knot that and leave the tails long. I hot glue that right below the hanger, trim up the tails, and then wrap those tails around a paintbrush handle to curl them a bit. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.